Hi there guys! Naghahanap ba kayo ng SUV na perfect for road trips, summer vacations, and 7-seaters? If yes, then I have the perfect one for you. Let me introduce you with this Innova Variant E 2019 model. Yan, kita nyo naman. It's very wide. Okay, so this is the exterior part. As you can see naman, it's very shiny. It's coated with a silvery paint. Very presentable. No dents. Wala din kayong makikitang scratches. And it's an A1 condition. Kung napapansin nyo, hindi siya stock, no? Like this handle. Kasi it has accessories. And as you can see, it's color black. Complete accessories talaga siya up until dito sa gas cover. Ayan, complete rain gutter. Kung pupunta naman tayo dito sa harap, makikita nyo na framed na po yung headlight natin up until sa tail light natin. Ito po yung keyless entry natin. And then, this is how you can open this key. You just have to click this one. And then, kung ibabalik nyo, same thing lang. This is the unlock button and this is the lock button. Ito po yung spare key. And that's it. If you're wondering what it looks like inside, here it is. It's a black interior. Kaya sobrang nakakalati na talaga tong kotse na to, guys. So, let's turn on the car. Ayan. So, this is our dashboard, guys, as you can see. And this is the most elegant panel gauge. This is our steering wheel. This is the dual airbag. This is the volume and voice control. If ever may katawagan kayo or may emergency calls, you can control it there. On this part naman po, as you can see, this is the radio. You can use the Bluetooth if you want to play some music from your phone. And then this is the power mode as well as the eco mode. This power mode po, you can use it if gusto nyo po ng turbo or kung gusto nyo pabilis yung takbo ng kotse nyo. And then eco mode naman kapag gusto nyo makatulong sa environment para maibsan yung pollution. Then we have this 5-speed manual transmission. All lights are working. Okay, this part you can put your sunglasses. You have this sun visor and this little mirror. Pwede nyo pong tignan yung sarili nyo if you're wondering if mukha pa rin kayong Latina, di ba? On this side, makikita naman po natin na all power windows are working. Ayan. All power locks are working too. Ayan. And then this is the power side mirror. And then let's move on naman sa second row. As you can see, it's black interior. It's perfect for 7-seaters. Ayan, that's why it's so big, you guys. And an ice-cold aircon. And then lights are still working. Ayan. Now, let's move on naman po sa likod. Let's open up. You have to push this lang. Wow! As you can see, super luwag po ng likod. Pwedeng paglagyan ng baggages and luggages. Complete po yung toolkits. Kung ibababa po natin to, this is gonna be the third row. And this is the headrest. And this is the spare tires. If ever po masiraan kayo, ayan. And this is the manual, kung paano po i-recline yung mga chairs. Ayan. So, this is the engine bay, you guys. Ayan po, napakalaki ng engine bay natin. Here we have a new battery. And then, there we have the turbo. This is the coolant. This is the radiator. And this is the turbo intercooler. And this is a 2.8 turbo diesel engine. And then, this is what it looks like sa front. This is the framed headlights. Up until sa tail lights framed po siya. Kaya napakamunyeka talaga ng kotse na to. This is the radiator grille, guys. This is the chrome ambient. And this is the Toyota logo emblems. Ayan. Okay, so this is the bumper grille. This is the bumper itself. And this is the fog lamps with its own chrome indent. Now we have this brand new Blackhawk tires. It's 205/65 rim 16. And we have this 90% Tread Life new tires. And if you're one of our interested clients, I have some good news, for it's not even gonna take $1 million. It's only gonna cost 758,000 pesos. I'm gonna leave all the contact details upon this video, on the description box below, on the comment section, and it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!